Hey folks, the grandMA3 onPC DMX-key and DMX-key starter is released now, and we are quite overwhelmed by your positive feedback and by your questions. So today we want to do a little bit of a Q&A session together with you. So let's have a look at some of your questions. And you asked, is the DMX input and RDM configuration supported? So both definitely yes. You can set a DMX input on your DMX ports, and the RDM is also supported in the DMX key. So what else? You asked if there is additional network output and if there is output of wireless signal. So in this case not. So you have the parameters, and some of them you can get via the direct DMX ports, but then you can use parameters via network protocols like MA3, ArtNet or streaming ACN from your local computer. And also there is no wireless support for the DMX key. So then you guys ask if there is a parameter calculation whenever you add some DMX key devices to your onPC, and if there is still the 4096 as a maximum for grandMA3 onPC. So there is no parameter calculation. The DMX key will not add parameters to existing onPC devices. And yes, the maximum of the grandMA3 onPC with parameters is still capped at 4096 parameters. So what else? You wanted to know if you can connect more than one DMX key device to your computer. Yes, you can. You can connect a black DMX key and you can connect an additional DMX key starter. So you have two devices, but please keep in mind also no addition of parameters there. There was also a question if there is a compatibility to grandMA2 onPC. Unfortunately not. The DMX key is just running with the grandMA3 onPC software. So of course, a lot of questions are about the price of the DMX key and the DMX key starter. Please, for price questions, get always in contact with your local MA distributors. They can help best with this question. The same goes for the question where and when you can buy it. When? Right now. And where? Of course, at your local MA distributor.